Hey guys, I want to show you how it looks like when you dye Liftall's hair and how you can dye Liftall's hair. So, I dyed this wig. It is Sophie's wig, School's Out Sophie, and you can see it. It's a really light blue. It's like sky blue. It's really nice and cute. This is the perfect blue for this wig. So she looks like this. Really great blue. And so I opened this. And you can see this was the test. The test's right. I took the long piece of hair, so when it goes wrong I can cut it a bit because it's longer than the other. So I take this piece, put normal acrylic paint here. Oh, you can't see it really good. Sorry, but it's acrylic, artist acrylic, ultramarine blue. So yes, and this is normal red. It's red. So, but when it's dry, it's pink. Wait, please. When it's dry, it's pink. And when the blue dries, it's like a real light blue. It's really cute. Not too light, but not too dark. It's matched really great. The blonde and then light blue. It's really cute. So I take the hair, but not all this strands not because they are purple. So I take this hair out, and then I take one old towel, only the wig. Sorry, it's Twist and Dance Alexis. Only the wig, and take the other hair out, and this pink thing too, because pink and blue I don't know. So now you can see it's like this. So you take your acrylic, put it into a bowl or something, take some water, and with a toothbrush and old you can mix it, and then you comb it into the hair on the sides, and each side something, I don't know. How do you think? And yeah, then you can take some toilet paper and squeeze the acrylic paint out. So, and then you can take your blow dryer and hold it like this. So not too I don't know the word. I can't speak English. Not too, I don't know. Like this. Not too much, but not too much. I don't know. And yes, and brush it really good, and then it works. And it will wash a little bit out when you wash it, but not all. So be careful. Bye. So yeah, subscribe. How do you think, and which color do you want? Bye.